it, help him. Guy. Go get him. Go get him. Good job, Jedediah. Go get, was there one by the tree right there? Where's Jordan? What did you find?
Put it in your basket, bud.
Put it in your basket. Good job.
Hey, I put it in the castle.
Jedediah, come here. Come on, Jedediah, go look. Jedediah, do you want to go to the slide? Do you want to go to the slide? Show me where's the slide. Where's Jordan? Where are you going? Did you find it? Good job! Jordan, you got it! What did you find? Oh, you got another one! Jordan, keep going. There's some over here. Sneaky, sneaky ones. Where's some sneaky, sneaky ones? Mommy and Daddy hide them hard. Keep going.